Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Angle speed in.
Fun.
Out weirdly. Nice work, Allison.
Good job. This is my side hair.
Where are you going? Did Ailey come down yet?
I think we caught all the best waves.
I think so.
Are you trying to shoot a video of it?
Yeah, I am.
You can go up higher.
Nah, it's okay.
You gonna watch the rest of that movie?
I don't know.
You should.
It was just started so late.
I know. I was struggling to make it through, but it was good. I really.
Where's she at?
Okay. Maybe she's.
Well, when I went to bed, it was like 11:45.
She didn't do the right stuff, did she?
Okay. My eyes were like shutting. Oh, here she comes.
My eyes. I wonder if they have karaoke to like Ulster. I could do a me and lift every voice. Battle Hymn of the Republic. Heard that song? It's best when told by large black women. But I can do it pretty good. Lift every voice and sing. Till earth and heaven ring. Go aliens!
Oh, wow. She's like way over there.
Go aliens!
Is that where we all started from?
Yeah. And we got pushed all the way to the right, like they're about to be. First big waves, first big waves. Whee! Whee! Smile, aliens! More big waves, more big waves. Paddle hard, paddle hard. Ah! Woo! Whoa! Whoa!